Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to play the snake game, which is a very famous game, very old game that we have used to play on mobile devices. So you can directly play this game or in Google Chrome using this extension. Simply type snake. It's got 300,000 installs. So simply add this extension to Chrome. The icon will be added. It will appear something like this. You click the icon and the game will directly start. So you will see you just need to press the arrow keys, or you can press A as D as well. So once it hits the wall, the game is over. So score, as you see, is also increasing as the snake is eating the apples, and the speed also increases as it collects the apples. So once it hits the wall, the game is over. So this is the game, guys, very simple. Just press the arrow keys. So in this easy way, you can play the game in directly Google Chrome. So you can see that it will also show you the high score, which is very simple game. Directly you can play this in Google Chrome, install this extension.